Picture this, friends, a lone spacecraft, a tiny speck of human ingenuity, soaring through the infinite darkness of space, billions of miles from home, carrying a message that screams, "We exist. Humanity is here." Now imagine that spacecraft, Voyager 1, sending back data so staggering, so utterly mind-blowing, it could unravel the greatest mystery of all time. Are we alone in the universe? What if this data, plucked from the edge of the cosmos, holds clues that shake the foundations of everything we believe? Could it be proof that alien life is out there, waiting to be found? Hold on tight, because we're about to embark on a heart-pounding, soul-stirring journey through the stars, where science meets wonder and the impossible feels tantalizingly close. Let's rewind to 1977, a time when humanity was buzzing with big dreams and bigger hair. The world was alive with hope, and scientists were gazing at the stars with a fire in their hearts. They hatched a plan so bold, it still gives us chills. Launch a spacecraft to explore the outer planets and then sail beyond into the uncharted wilderness of interstellar space. This wasn't just about snapping photos of Saturn's rings or Jupiter's storms. This was about touching the edge of our solar system and sending a piece of our soul to the stars. That spacecraft was Voyager 1, a marvel of grit and genius launched on September 5th, 1977, from a launch pad in Florida, destined to become a legend. Voyager 1 had a twin, Voyager 2, which blasted off just weeks earlier. Together, they were humanity's cosmic envoys, built to dance through the solar system using a rare planetary alignment that only happens once every 175 years. This alignment was like a galactic highway, letting the spacecraft slingshot from planet to planet, borrowing their gravity to zoom faster and farther with less fuel. It was a brilliant, almost cheeky trick, cooked up by minds obsessed with cracking the universe's code. Voyager 2 was set to swing by Uranus and Neptune, but Voyager 1? Its path was different, up and out, soaring above the plane where our planets circle the sun, into a realm no human creation had ever touched. What makes Voyager 1 so jaw-dropping? It's not just a machine, it's a time capsule, a testament to human courage. Powered by 3 nuclear batteries, fancy devices that turn the heat from decaying plutonium into electricity, it doesn't rely on feeble sunlight, which fades to nothing out there. It's packed with 10 scientific gadgets, from cameras to capture cosmic beauty to spectrometers sniffing out the universe's secrets. But the real kicker? Voyager 1 carries a golden record, a 12-inch disc etched with humanity's voice, sounds, images, and dreams meant for alien eyes and ears. This isn't just a probe, it's our heart, cast into the void. Now flash forward to May 2025. Voyager 1 is a staggering 25 billion kilometers away, 15.5 billion miles from Earth. That's so far a radio signal, zipping at light speed, takes 22.5 hours to reach us. Think about that. Send a message, wait nearly a day for a reply. Yet, this 48-year-old wonder, battered by cosmic rays and the chill of space, is still whispering to us from interstellar space, the no man's land beyond our sun's reach. And what it's saying now, friends, it's not just data, it's a cosmic bombshell, a revelation that's got scientists buzzing, dreamers weeping, and the world holding its breath. Let's set the scene. In August 2012, Voyager 1 made history, crossing the heliopause, the invisible line where our sun's solar wind fades and the galaxy's wild currents take over. It was the first time a human-made object left our solar system, a moment that felt like humanity sprouting wings. Since then, Voyager has been swimming in a sea of plasma, cosmic rays, and magnetic fields, sending back snapshots of this alien frontier. But in late 2024, something unthinkable happened. Voyager's instruments caught a signal, a pattern, a rhythm, a whisper from the stars that defies everything we know. This wasn't static or a glitch in an old circuit. This was deliberate, structured, and utterly electrifying. Could this be it? The moment we've dreamed of for centuries? Before we plunge into this heart-stopping discovery, let's trace Voyager 1's epic saga. After launch, it rocketed to Jupiter, arriving in March 1979. The photos it beamed back were pure magic, swirling clouds, a massive red spot, and shockingly, a faint ring around Jupiter we never knew existed. It spotted volcanoes erupting on Io, a moon alive with fire, the first active volcanoes seen beyond Earth. Then, in November 1980, it swooped by Saturn, revealing its dazzling rings and new moons, like Prometheus and Pandora. It peered at Titan, a moon cloaked in haze, possibly hiding lakes of liquid methane. These weren't just pictures. They were love letters from the cosmos, stirring our souls. After Saturn, Voyager 1's path diverged. Using Saturn's gravity like a cosmic catapult, it shot upward, leaving the ecliptic plane, the flat disk where our planets orbit. Its new mission? Probe the solar system's edge and beyond. In 1990, at 6 billion kilometers away, it turned its camera homeward and snapped the pale blue dot, a heart-wrenching image of Earth as a tiny speck in a vast, lonely universe. That photo wasn't just pixels, it was a wake-up call, showing how fragile yet fearless we are. After that, its cameras shut off to save power, and Voyager 1 sailed into the dark, a silent explorer in an endless night. For years, it sent steady updates, cosmic rays, magnetic fields, the pulse of the universe. In 2004, it hit the termination shock, where solar wind slows to a crawl. Then, in 2012, it crossed into interstellar space, confirmed by a surge in electron density caught by its plasma wave instrument. These were triumphs, but predictable ones. What's happening now, though, is anything but. The data from late 2024, let's call it the cosmic signal, is a game changer. It's got scientists in a frenzy, conspiracy buffs in overdrive, and everyone else glued to their screens. So, what is this signal, and why is it shaking us to our core? Imagine Voyager's plasma wave instrument, built to catch vibrations in the interstellar soup, picking up a series of pulses. These aren't random blips. They're rhythmic, almost like a cosmic drumbeat, with frequencies that don't match any known stellar noise. The signal is faint, but steady, pulsing in bursts over weeks. At first, the team at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, who track Voyager via the Deep Space Network, thought it might be a hiccup in a creaky old system. But tests ruled that out. The signal is real, coming from somewhere in the interstellar deep. It's structured, deliberate, and unlike anything we've recorded before. Is this the cosmic equivalent of hello? Let's be real. NASA isn't yelling aliens yet. Scientists are cautious, as they should be. But this signal is weird enough to spark a firestorm. It's got patterns that hint at intent, not the chaotic hum of a nebula or star. Some think it could be a natural oddity, a pulsar with a funky rhythm or a plasma cloud doing something new. But others, the bold ones, are whispering a wilder idea. What if this is artificial? What if Voyager 1 carrying humanity's golden record, stumbled across a beacon, a probe, or a message from a civilization light years away, the thought alone is enough to make your heart race and your mind explode. Speaking of that golden record, it's the heart of this story. This gold-plated disc is humanity's cosmic playlist, 115 images of Earth's landscapes, animals, and people, greetings in 55 languages, from ancient tongues to modern ones, music from Beethoven to an Indian raga, and sounds like waves, birds, and a baby's laugh. It's got a message from a world leader, all about peace and hope. This record is our best self, a portrait of a species that dreams big. But decoding it, that's the trick. It comes with a stylus and diagrammed instructions, but those are so complex they'd stump most of us. The images are stored as audio, needing a reverse engineering feat to turn into visuals. It's a puzzle for a genius alien, but it's also a symbol of our yearning to connect. So, what's this cosmic signal telling us? Let's unpack the possibilities, each more thrilling than the last. First, the safe bet. It's natural, just something we haven't seen before. Interstellar space is a zoo of magnetic fields, plasma waves, and cosmic oddballs. Maybe Voyager hit a weird patch of space, a stellar remnant with a quirky vibe. Scientists are crunching numbers, running models, but nothing fits perfectly. This explanation is tidy, but it feels flat. Voyager's been out there for years, and nothing like this has popped up. Why now? Why this pattern? Then there's the heart-pounding option. The signal is artificial. Picture Voyager 1, drifting past an alien probe, a relic from a civilization that's been watching the stars longer than we've had fire. Or maybe it's a beacon, part of a galactic network, broadcasting to anyone who passes by. The signal's frequencies don't match human tech, which makes it even wilder. Is it a greeting? A warning? A map? The possibilities are endless, each one sparking a rush of awe and dread. If this is a message, it's not just data. It's a bridge to the unknown. A chance to join a cosmic club we didn't know existed. The emotional punch of this hits like a supernova. For millennia, we've stared at the sky, asking, is anyone out there? From cave paintings to telescopes, we've hunted for signs of life. Voyager 1 was our boldest move, a hand extended into the dark. If this signal is an answer, it's not just science, it's a seismic shift. Imagine the world waking up to news of alien contact. Streets would hum with excitement, not fear. Online platforms would light up, from doubters demanding data to romantics crying at the thought of cosmic kin. It'd be a moment to bind us, to remind us we're all stardust, chasing the same truth. But there's a third option, less sexy but real. The signal is murky. Maybe it's a mix of natural and artificial, or Voyager's fading tech is garbling something benign. Its nuclear batteries are dying, set to fizzle out by late 2025 or 2026. Could this be a last, confused gasp? Scientists are racing the clock, using AI to dissect the signal, cross-checking it with decades of data and new telescope scans. Every bit is gold, because when Voyager goes dark, it's gone. The golden record will drift forever, but our link to it snaps. That urgency, that ticking clock, makes this feel like a cosmic cliffhanger. This race against time is a gut punch. Voyager 1 is our pioneer, our friend in the void. It's been with us through moon landings, tech booms, and global shifts, always out there, always faithful. The thought of it fading is like losing a piece of our spirit. But if its final gift is evidence of alien life, that's a legacy beyond dreams. It's a tale of a machine outlasting its makers, carrying our hopes to the stars and maybe bringing back a whisper of something greater. It's enough to make you tear up, to make you believe in miracles. What happens if this signal is the real deal? Decoding it would be a Herculean task. The patterns are complex, not in any code we know. Experts in cryptography, linguistics, and AI would burn the midnight oil, chasing meaning. Is it a hello, a story, a blueprint? And then what? Do we reply, launching new probes with better tech? Or do we hesitate, wondering if we're ready for the galactic stage? Contact would rewrite everything: science, faith, art, identity. It'd make us ask, what's our place in a universe alive with minds? The golden record showed our best face, but a real meeting would bare our soul, flaws, and all. Even if the signal's natural, the ripple effects are huge. This mystery has reignited our cosmic curiosity, pushing us to fund new missions, build better telescopes, and dream bigger. It's a reminder that the universe is vast, weird, and full of surprises. Voyager 1's journey, signal or no signal, is a love song to exploration. It's proof that a small probe, built with 1970s tech, can outshine our wildest hopes. It's a call to keep reaching, keep questioning, keep believing that the truth is out there, waiting. Let's zoom in on how this signal was found. Voyager's plasma wave instrument, a tool for catching space's subtle vibes, picked up these odd oscillations between October and December 2024. The data streamed to Earth via Voyager's high-gain antenna, a dish that's been shouting across billions of miles for decades. It reached the Deep Space Network, massive radio dishes in California, Madrid, and Australia, marvels that catch Voyager's faint voice. The signal's pattern, repetitive with distinct peaks, stood out like a flare. Electron density spiked, but not like in the heliosphere. This was interstellar, raw, and new. Why is this so shocking? Electron density in interstellar space is higher than in our solar system's bubble, thanks to cosmic rays and galactic winds. But this signal's rhythm doesn't match those. It's too orderly, too precise. Researchers double-checked, ruling out interference or hardware quirks. The signal's real, and it's persisted, fading and returning like a distant lighthouse. It's not loud, but it's clear. And that clarity is what's driving the frenzy. Natural sources like pulses pulse, but not like this. This feels crafted, intentional, alive. The emotional stakes here are sky high. Voyager 1 isn't just tech. It's us, our curiosity, our daring, our need to know. It's been flying for 48 years, outlasting wars, fads, and fears. It's seen Jupiter's storms, Saturn's rings, and now the galaxy's edge. Losing it soon, as its power fades, feels like a death in the family. But this signal? It's a spark, a chance to crown its journey with the ultimate prize, proof we're not alone. It's a story to tell our kids, to etch in history, to carry into the stars. What's next? Scientists are all in, analyzing the signal with every tool they've got. They're mapping its frequencies, hunting for hidden codes, and comparing it to every known cosmic phenomenon. AI is churning through the data, looking for patterns humans might miss. Telescopes are scanning the direction Voyager's pointed, toward the constellation Ophiuchus, hoping for a clue. But time's short. Voyager's batteries are on their last legs, and once they're gone, we's done. The golden record will drift, maybe for billions of years, but we'll lose our eyes and ears in the void. This urgency fuels the drama. Every day, teams at NASA and beyond are pushing limits, knowing this could be it, the discovery that changes everything. If the signal's artificial, decoding it could take years, even decades. If it's natural, it's still a breakthrough, a new piece of the cosmic puzzle. Either way, Voyager 1 has done the impossible. It's made the universe feel alive, close, reachable. It's turned a cold void into a stage for wonder, where every beep could be a hello. Let's dream big. If this is an alien signal, what's it like out there? Are we talking little green men, or minds so advanced they'd see us as ants? The Golden Record assumes aliens can decode analog tech, but what if they're digital, or something wilder? The signal's complexity suggests smarts, but its faintness hints at distance, maybe light years away. Could Voyager have tripped a cosmic wire, alerting someone to our presence? Or is this a relic, a message from a race long gone echoing through time? Each thought is a thrill, a spark, a reason to keep looking up. The human side of this is just as gripping. News of the signal has spread like wildfire, igniting debates and dreams. Online, people are buzzing. Some call it a hoax, others a miracle. It's uniting us, if only for a moment, in shared awe. Imagine the art, the songs, the stories this could inspire. Imagine schools teaching kids about Voyager, not as history, but as the spark that found our cosmic kin. It's a chance to heal divides, to rally around a truth bigger than borders or beliefs. It's humanity at its best, reaching for the stars together. But let's ground this in reality. The signal's real, but it's not a clear, take me to your leader. It's a puzzle, and puzzles take time. Scientists are methodical, checking every angle to avoid a false alarm. They're looking at nearby stars, galactic currents, even Voyager's own quirks. The Deep Space Network is working overtime, catching every faint pulse. If this pans out, it'll be rigorous, not rushed. And if it's not aliens, it's still a win, a new mystery to chase, a reason to build better probes, to keep exploring. Voyager 1's journey is a saga of heart and hustle. It's flown past gas giants, snapped iconic photos, and now dances in the galaxy's wilds. It's carried our voice, our hope, our record to the stars. This signal, whatever it is its crowning moment. A chance to answer the question that's haunted us forever. Are we alone? The data's incredible, the stakes are cosmic, and the story's far from over. Voyager 1's out there, still fighting, still dreaming, still proving that humanity's reach knows no bounds. So friends, look up, feel the wonder, and let's keep chasing the truth, because the universe might just be listening.